Hey there, do you want a behind the scenes peek at what happens inside of a milk bank? You're gonna wanna look at this, especially if you've ever been interested in donating your breast milk formally to a milk bank. A few years ago, I went and toured our local milk bank here in Utah. Let me show you a little bit behind the scenes. All right, Abby, tell us how it works.
The process starts over here. We have our milk thawing, and so once that gets
right there on the...
yeah, it's out on those trays thawing. It was pulled from the freezers this morning, and then what they do is mix it in these KitchenAids behind me here.
Oh, it's really a KitchenAid.
Yeah, so that it's all mixed together because the milk tends to separate when it's frozen. And then what they do is pour it into sterile bottles. And now the milk is actually back in those gray machines. They're called shaking water baths. So that's where they get heated up to between 62.5 to 64.5 degrees Celsius, and they have to stay exactly in that range for half an hour. And then once they've had that half an hour, they pull them out and they put them on these pink exercise machines. They put all the bottles in that tub and put a bunch of ice in there, and it cools the milk down until it hits 4 degrees Celsius. And then we